Ozarks International Raceway Precision Drift. Today is a little crazy. As you can see, it's a little wet, a little slimy, a little muddy. Trekking through the mud myself in the media area. We're actually stoked to get it going. It's going to be great. It's going to be a good day for sure. Super excited to shoot with my homies. Today it looks like I am Josh. So shout out to Josh. Well, here you go. This is the Volvo, and it's drifting. Maybe. This guy right here will not stop laughing. So Eric's been making fun of me because today this is just listen to it though. Like, listen to it. It sounds good. It sounds good. Ethan out here putting it together. This is good to see. He's been driving good. He's been driving good, regardless of the weather, regardless of the conditions. Ethan's hanging. It's nice. It's good. I spoke a little too soon, but it's okay. It's all right. He's getting it covered. Hey, he's out here. We're not driving. There you go, Ethan. Alright, due to the rain, we're essentially just hanging out. Eric is trying to figure out what I'm doing. Gotta love that Canon autofocus. There we go. It's going pretty good. One of my favorite cars of the day. Seems to be making consistent laps over and over and over. What do we got going? Got the Grip Royal. The young beefy boy, stock and rolling. Got Eric taking some shots. All right, now we are headed inside. Obviously it's dark in here. Let me fix this real quick. There we go, there we go. Everybody's got love for a taco.
North or 10 miles further south, we would be fine, but it's like going
that way and
yeah. Yeah. So annoying.
All right, so track is cold. Eric is looking at me like I'm crazy, and it is terrible shitty out here. Hoping there's a couple more runs left soon, because this is getting unbearable. No, not really. Just soaked. All right, y'all. It may be wet, it may be rainy, but we're still out here ripping. I got the Miata behind me. It's going good. It's going good. It's kind of muddy. A little bit of some puddle action. Checking out some of the cars. Got a couple Miatas. Got a little bit of everything today. A little slice of pie for everybody. Corvettes, 240s, 350s, Gs, a little bit of everything. Mustangs, some S95s, all kinds of good stuff. It's going well. It's actually going really good besides the weather. Not much you can do about that. It's Missouri. I mean, 4 different seasons all at once within the same week. It is pouring. A little bit of my equipment's getting wet, so it's not the best time to shoot. But that doesn't matter. I came prepared. I am going to get some definite good footage. I'm also going to get some good shots of photos. I gotta say, I love Miatas. This little guy right here, right over my head, has been ripping in the rain, doing his thing. Not your little brother's Legos. Just trying to rip. Alright, you don't see very many Volvos out here. We're out here driving Lego bricks. Got the G and the 240, G35 sedan, ripping, S14 right behind me. Still trying to figure it out a little bit. It sounds so good. We got the Z's and trees. There we go. One of the most beautiful courses in all of Missouri, if not the most beautiful. There's not very many. This place is amazing. We got a car getting ready to rip around the corner. Looks like 3 or 4. It's gonna be good. Getting it going, couple of VQs. Got a Mustang, another Mustang. Coming around the corner. It's going well. Alright guys, still out here in the rain, getting ready to shoot my last set on the track. It's gonna be a good one.